I'm Charlotte with the Investing News Network, and I'm here today with our life science reporter, Gabrielle. We're here to talk about what happened in the life science space during the month of September. Gabrielle, let's start by talking about clinical trials. What developments did we see last month?
Thanks, Charlotte. So a big one for ProQR. The company had a positive share price increase due to it releasing a clinical trial analysis update for its eye disease treatment. Next up, Numara announced clinical trial update for its continuous glucose monitoring device, the Sugar Beat, and the company plans to launch the product in the UK later in the fall. Argenx also released positive clinical trial announcements for its proof of concept trial, and Insight presented skin disease treatment lotion at a conference in France.
Lots of positive news. What did we see in terms of mergers and acquisitions in the life science space in September?
So first off, a big one for the medical device industry. Invuity was acquired by Stryker in an all-cash deal for $190 million US by the surgical robotic giant. Over to Canadian-based Covalon, the company acquired AquaGuard, which is a US-based company. Covalon intends to expand its US presence with this acquisition. Cancer Genetics merged with Novalex DX, and the company plans to expand with oncology genetic tests.
Aside from those mergers and acquisitions, we also saw some major partnerships and collaborations. What can you tell me about those?
That's right. So Merck and IMV formed a collaboration, and this marks Merck's 45th collaboration for the drug Keytruda. Oncolytics Biotech and Solti will develop a breast cancer treatment in a new study. And Molecular Templates announced a partnership with the big pharma Takeda, the Japanese-based company.
Thank you so much. We'll leave our life science update there for September. You can join us next month when we review what happened in the life science sector during the month of October. In the meantime, you can follow us on Twitter at INN_resource, on Facebook at Investing News Network, and of course on LinkedIn also at Investing News Network. We'll see you next time.